Malaga Changdar, Chai Nyor, Chai Ner, Dung Media, Kachanga Jandangra with a Bakel Kapayuan, Ron Kin Dangrau, with Jandangra with a DH. Dung Media, Gua Lura Con, Milanung Corolora Rede, take update, take analysis, take edition, it is specific. To the dollar Indian situation in Togo, Sudan, Chiankoro Melorada Mary way done. So la let koro ti diara te ku ba kon chub gwan kon do kon tin ku ramanan bete ga leng ga ngai ku ne ne men to ku jinup en walle din ngu so analysis ni kon no ngiye ka analysis ni ti cha gwech etyak ne ri tere jinup Sudan ti ngai ga mele rode so go ga yene ni kon tin nan ku bran ga leng ya ngai ju situation le ro jinup Sudan din ngu ni chang la no ne ya update ti talk on daily basis me kor ba ko nung ye kami kor mi to ba ko la die kami situation mi wo je doran bo la la ne ye man preparation ni man ta na na te status kur doran so no mala go ne long ke ye wo mi chi message mi je ne mi che je be share ke media and one ko ne one do ku chup again the use of media no ko bu jaw na lat ke wande ne one can bako chop biko take a length. So advice ko page be like could be message ni katiri biko share ne one ko ken. Moro kon jo de wale a difference come white army can SPLM mayu. Ko kon take a different method menen kone mi taka SPLM mayu can white army. SPLM ayu a group revolutionary movement ngai kone mi yinge kum men ta jube no wen so ta process ni ken ga mal ga kor ya ga ter dial ngai kone store me yor lat so SPLM ayu up to today ram la gon tere mi yinge e kum e jube jen di chairman de yeno jen ti ne ga dial ci mal ci dago jen ci kor ci go wejo gon no kone ya control SPLM ayu so one of be jai ka white army telo gwantar gol gwantar yen e kum to jube kana assortment of militia te tatin te jangtin based on tugdul jang ngai kon tinte militia ne ka farnal for example jalla gwantar white army bulunu wona ne ka philosophy gwantaru amadu bulunu waspela mayu kana white army ke wota gwantar kel kamat so kore na kel again another cause e wona ne min ku white army min ku jabro do form e wo ko anwar ko ga target gwami ken daga tino community ni ken ko ga displace kana ga ke ko ken destroy so mo ko target ge is because of SPLM ayu so mulunu different ka SPLM ayu kana white army ke areas ni je ken toro the fact that we in Mikel the fact that we problem ko appears is the same person they are friend mo kon wo yes they are friend ngude lada kano kel SPLM ayu revolutionary movement jere majalar revolutionary nidial we talk about African revolutionary movement nika neighbors kon nika jerano kon ka Junub Sudan tiyo kon so no about revolutionary movement la ku wage one try a dorkel bijete mi je lok mi cha yak mi cha target bokoro mo be wage mi ta long so they struggle at the end of the day we can succeed. We have many examples ka Africa we talk of East Africa alone la balador kondor ngiche yende cho korje ter ke kum mana ro gwat ke dial ne dial tin able people at that particular time ti long rodien bi ka warrior bi ka fighter Ko they protect themselves, they protect their property, ko ko aga target. So mululu SPLM ayu andame ko wana nuaratin a nuar led revolution na ina kono kusa partin kanuare. So power na na SPLM ayu eja manda fighting force kaje tala gwada nung tin gola ge nuare. And nuare sher manen kono wata white army tetino white army na re chonga o independent lakin because of the kala nuare to kala ngwane to kala the revolution kwa weje nuare they support again. They need to join the SPLM-IO. I join again. And that will depend on the question of organization. If they are more organized, as a white army, they can fight in their organization. The SPLM-IO or better, can they fight the same enemy with the same objective? So, we enter the kel konwar to kon ke element kel mi chang kirande give up chang ke loy to the dual who enemy join who kor me join is now 12 years so mi loy do mi the dual bi nyoko mi chare ko ne kon mi do kono jinu Sudan ka kor no one can trade us. Ramde nuara mde ko thread ko kor bu silent ko kor bede im maga alada so no mo reality mi ngai ke mani ngwan tar ngai je wona ne nuare mete no kor tiri no manu go me jor at the end of the day we go win ko nuare chagwa so an element mi je no mo ko lo go kon kor ka ngai kon kor and is a matter of organization ko mi je to ko yar organize wale an organization dan chi mi dit work on the source of weapon much bas plus weapon into con tramede contact it dene kor dene long so mi no loy dan abum you know the status of Ramadan and Ying con can status dan kudi very important ka military strategy o mga jugantaro ka ngi rodu mi tangi gwantaro chunu ne hienen chi odong kala boma wana mabia ngajo boma ka 1 2 3 reason for that particular time but then chabu boma wana so mana ngi Ramadan la gwantaro ka ngi rodu ka ko wono ne no kondre ngwai ko kon that are aware ngai ga je wona ne kor kanwari yatin to kwa yatin ko kon mana confident mana biol ko wona ne yes ateno ala nyingwa mo nyingwa mo manu wona ne shen kor baro mo ka sos shejen beta ga do bu do rejectin kana do mo bel wotin wa bu bano so right me direct me large ko wona ne kon let us be confident mi chete mi de tiam gwar mi ti tribo ti ko chero na chalat ne no one can this time miran wo roje la do wona ne kor chagwa mi chawo chubian ko ponyo bo mi chagwa what can we do so bola no wona ne we surrender and surrendering this time ngai kon dia le wona ne chiram kel men je baide so bu kon dia suffer bana chuch that we don't deserve chikono deserve wodene chuki jinu Sudan abukon tel class ke jinu Sudan bajana kore yana ter mi kama korar ka jalap konware so chikono de deserve wona ne bana chui rede for long mi cha plan around within South Sudan wana kor ko wono brodo ti ni ko adu ko mi ti tino yani ko puch wonu wala daga taranda this time yani bigala second class ka South Sudan ki classless and today I'll brought what you can be the only solution you con as a tribe cause it's not new. Who be tribe be revolutionary be wage in the country and be succeed. Bana you organize bana millet con banelat. So already we are suffering. Chui con. Sharp con chui ke, con displaced con foreign countries. To tell me mungo along. Mila war effect me can con nen. Mungo con a solution of this problem. Ko naka military philosophy. Ki a war philosophy. Revolution. Which pale. We can complete the jike. Go ano kana talk. Ko University of Sudan. If we fail to achieve anything about this revolution, kon ware, we bomb dan, we lose the lot con, we con de yiriar, and the alcohol we ka balach. Ya con we lose ran. So, I tell me, Weber and where, long do, the near. Moko right go and taban. Ta con cái này con cái tham cái đúc trong hoàn này đâu con cái tham mà lâu này thằng cái này thì là quay con cái lâu purely cái allies with adu ngay con cái individual ngạc cái ní chịu đi kiện cái này đó cũng contribute mà đó cái là mình đang nhìn cái con cô để nuôi để cái chuyện này pin so situation bây giờ nó mới là thuốc cái bờ community cái bờ core mới target core 80% mới trả lúc community nếu chụp cái 80% này được con chia lúc 20% thì xin cái nhal cái phát rộp này được con như cái gì vậy nuôi dial cái generation cái là able generation na long road yani take a notion go what is happening injustice go by resolve mon to individually to chawa ngak kwan ni ke ngak tin do te midran ngi chon wara to ara tedo so tell consequences ne tell ne ku support do reken. So our unity can spirit and as no today telaran mo badi wo nga me take me as a community. So badi individual within the communities ko nga ko ngai kon ga yata na la no. So community no kon dial no ko ngwan ne ka section ga dan woro ko stand firm today. So then example one day nang nika benti now murai kon for example shebul so bull was obstacle ka koro kon de ter kon no won lakin now bull chikala obstacle chagoro supporters they organize themselves chikete mi cha lo kan cha nga yo kwan tara nga so tanduro ken ka kwan ni ken is a matter of time men lat kan bala de ken. So summary lat kono wona ne different ka spela mayu kan white army she clear ku adu nyinge adu makel nyinge the same adu is a matter of tactics is a matter of organization so michigurum gwa matara courtin ba terkel they don't have problem think okay ne wona ne let us not give up. Anything like take a solution. Shukran.